Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. We meet again for PBL letter 2 and 3. Alright, I would like to share with you, I just want to recall your memory. PBL have 5 letters, which is letter 1, fill a table, letter 2, self-directed learning, letter 3 is gathering information, right? Okay, now for letter 2 and letter 3, today I will share with you letter 2 and 3. So the learning outcome, the lesson outcome today is that so that you can respond to the related critical and creative thinking lesson outcome. Alright. So what you do in letter 2? Students embark on self-directed learning activities including reading, watching videos, summarizing the unit, and to search for additional and supporting learning materials. So in letter 2, student will go to the library, look for something, articles or any books that can contribute to the learning material. And at the end of the letter 2, student will conclude the learning activities at letter 2 with completing the reflection form at letter 2. Alright, list of learning activities in letter 2 is that library search, watch related videos or documentary, interview experts. Note the group chairperson has to distribute the tasks or learning activities among the team member. So make sure that all members in the group is engaged with activities in self-directed learning. Alright, so learning activities for library search. So normally when you go to library, you will look for books or any database. So do you have knowledge how to search for databases? So you can go to your library. Your library may have a search engine for database. Type specific keyword related to the topic. Example, barrier to innovation. You could start your search with what is the definition of innovation. Or you may ask your library officer to help you on how to look for databases. Alright? Or you can ask Mr. Google by typing definition of innovation and file type PDF. So you will retrieve journals from an authentic sources. So remember, you have to quote any information from an authentic sources. So note, remember to rephrase and quote the sources to avoid plagiarism. Alright, so this is what students have to careful with. Another activity in self-directed learning is that watching videos. What kind of videos? I know you are smiling now at me. You like to watch video, don't you? Rather than listening to your lecturers lecture in the classroom, right? Okay, now the objective is for self-directed learning is that students are exposed and gain as much information to support the learning material. So there are lots of documentary or movies which are related. Like let's say the National Geographic and documentary which are related. Why not? You can just quote the documentary or the movies for your material in your study. Alright, next. So another learning activities that you can encounter is that interviewing experts. Who are the expert actually? Expert is actually the person who are expert in the field. They have knowledge, certain period of knowledge, and they are engaged in their field. So prepare an interview survey questions aiming to achieve your learning objective. So you have to, if you don't know how to develop survey questions, so you have to do your further reading on how to conduct interview and how to develop interview survey questions. To conclude learning activities at letter 2, you will have to complete the reflection form describing what you have learned from this activity in letter 2. Alright? So now in letter 3, information gathering. So you've collected all the information in letter 2. Everyone, let's say you have 5 of you in the group and everyone has go to the library, you did your movie watching, you did your interviewing. So you come back and sit down together and gather all the information that the team member have collected. So the student would prepare the information and allocate it or prepare it for presentation. The presentation format will be indicated by the facilitator or lecturer. So to conclude, ladder 3 activities, the student still have to complete the reflection form at ladder 3. So you have to share your learning process, what you learn from ladder 3. So at this ladder, student will gather all information collected in ladder 2, how you should do it. The team or the group can organize meeting. So time and venue is up to your choice. You can go to a big tree, a shady tree, or you can go by the beach, or you can go by nearby cafe, or you can choose any place that's suitable to you and your team member to conduct a meeting. All right. All the information should be organized to the agreed presentation format by the facilitator or the lecturer in class. So the presentation format could be slide presentation, role play, forum, seminar poster, or meeting presentation, or it can be anything else that suited or agreed by your lecturer. All right. So to conclude learning activities at ladder 3, you will have to complete the reflection form describing what you have learned from this activity. So please, when you do reflection, write what you have learned and what you have learned throughout the process. All right. So with that, thank you very much for listening. I've prepared for you some questions, some quiz for you to do some activities on what you understand. So thank you very much and bye.